Guys, actually, there is a one miss in the first part of recording because I am not opening the recording for the first part. Okay, so no worry. If you have any doubt, then we can share again. I will tell you in future again. Okay, but please make sure right now I am not just do anything, just only to make the visualization so that you can just a text box or make a slicer from here. Okay, so there is a no anything with the recording. I think you need. But yes, I started the recording now before this one. And right now we going to page 6. Okay. So for page 6, we have to make two visualization or three visualization. Like first one, I create this one and go to page 5. Okay, because I don't want to make the formatting again and again, and choose this slide, this one, format. Okay. Go to page 6. There's no formatting. Just a minute. Choose this one, copy, page 6 and paste. Okay. This one I remove and net sales is there. Suppose right now I want a net sales. No, I want a profit to the column value. Yeah, okay. And profit by suppose there is an option. Let me check with the data. What we have. Category, latitude, longitude, city. There is a city. City. Okay. So right now we want a city wise. See, we have a multiple city and all the city we have. But suppose if your manager asking you, what is manager asking you? That I want only the top 10 city. I want only the top 10 city wise profit. Only top 10. So how much you calculate the top 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down this, but you can select the visualization and use this filter page. Okay. And you can use the city as a top 10. Means city you can use the top 10 function and top 10 you can write down your top 10, top 5, top 3, anything you want, and top 10 on the basis of like by value means on the basis of, suppose if you want top 10 on the basis of profit, then you can apply filter. See your top 10 profit cities there. Right now use this one and make the title top 10 by profit. Okay, so this kind of visualization is ready. You can maintain into the same top 10 city by profit. And now second thing, copy and just paste. Suppose now instead of city, okay, instead of city, from here also you can remove the city. Instead of city, if you want a top 10 restaurant name wise, so you can go to here and choose the restaurant like address, category, city, where is name. This one. You can choose the name and see your restaurant name is many. So you can go to here restaurant name and instead of basic filtering you can use a top 10 and on the basis of like profit, so you can put it profit here and apply filter. So your top 10 restaurant name by profit. Change the slicer in restaurants by profit. See your top 10 restaurant first is McDonald's, Taco, Burger King, Subway. This kind of report you can maintain into the slicer. Make this one. See your report is ready for this. Okay. So guys, if you have any doubt, tell me. Otherwise, we will move further. Tell me any doubt.
No, sir.
Okay. So same this kind of visualization. Suppose if your manager asking you to top 10 on the basis of profit percentage, there's a difference. So you can only change the base for this one. Copy this visualization and change just the base this one. Click on visualization and instead of top 10, if you want a top 5, you can click on here top 5. See, this is top 5. If you here and top 10, you can choose as well as the top 10. Okay. So like this, you can change your visualization and analytical skill because BI is just a business intelligence. Okay. So as per your requirement, you can change your data into the data set. And now, right now we are done with some of the different things. For different things, I just create some of the things like this, creating a table and date range. And date for this, I not in a year, quarter, January, month. Okay, I need to just as a day wise only. 1/1/2015. Okay, and move the slicer as well as here. Date range. Put it here. It is kind of some of the advanced function. Right now, I am going to start. See, when you change the range, your date range is ready. And now, suppose if you want as a net sales. Let me use this visualization and put it net sales. Okay, see, your date range and your net sales is ready. See, if your manager asking you that what is the last year sale at the date of 3/3/2017 means a 3/3/2017 sales is 157. What about the 3/3/2016? What about the last year same period sale? So how to calculate a last year sale? Tell me anything you want. uh, like last year's sale. If anybody knows about the how to calculate last year's sale in Excel, tell me. If you know about some Excel, anyone, you know about some Excel function regarding the last year's sale? Because in the same function, suppose I want a last year's sale in the same period, like 6/3/2017. We have a total sales value is 151. What if the 6/3/2016? So how to take this kind of difference into our visualization? Because this kind of analyzing we need into the visualization, that is why we need into the Power BI. So I just create a new measure for this, new calculation for this, create a new measure. What about the last year's sale? Okay, so I write down here new measure for last year's sales. Okay, so for last year's sales, I need to calculate the total sales from the last year. So you can click on the calculate. Okay, and write down. We have write down here is the total sales because we have a total uh, sales by the name of net sales. And the expression and filter. Expression is the net sales, and filter is what calculate the same period of last sale. So we have a function in here, same period last year. Okay, and choose the date table. See, there is a date, so you can choose the date table directly. See, fast food restaurant, the date tables means a date column. Return the set of dates in the current selection from the previous year. So we have a date, enter, and click on enter. When we click on the enter into the this and your last year sales there, you can put it here and move the formatting into currency and see the last year sales 3/3/2017 we have a 157 and last year we have a 151. Okay, so there is how to take a difference like this. If I select move more than slicer, see 1/1/2016 we have a 170, but last year's sale means 1/1/2015 we have a 562,003. How much is the sale in the just one day? Okay, so now 4/3/2016 we have a 156 and last year sales we have a 62. There's a difference because how to check the variance for this. Okay, so this is the last year sales. See, if I select a date range into a hierarchy, Okay, and move the day, month, quarter, and see the difference into the day. Oh, sorry. Date. Every time you need to select those visualization in which you have to change. See, 1/1/2015 starting date to the last year. See, we have data from 1/1/15, but we don't have a last year sale in 15 because we don't have a 2014 sale. Okay, so that is the reason. See, we have when we have a 2016, the last year sales mean 2015 sales is there. Only the 2015 sales is there. Okay, and instead of, see, we have a 2020, then we have a 2019 sales is there. So the same thing we have done with this, like date, hierarchy, day, month, quarter, and suppose right now we have just a year. Net sales, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, and total sales. Fast food major table, last year sales. Select the date, the hierarchy order, your last sales and next year sales is given. And now if you want to increase your like difference between the last year sales and net sales, so you need to create a new measure for this. You can just click there and go to the new measure. See, there's a difference. Okay, so difference is just the same, means we have to write down here is a daily sales difference. Okay, so daily sales difference we have to connect net sales minus last year's sales. So net sales measures minus last year's sales, and you can put it enter here. Your daily sales difference variance is ready, and you can put the daily sales variance into the currency format and put down is here daily sales difference. See, your daily sales difference is the positive value showing the net sales, right? Current year sales is positive, and minus signs tell you the current sales is a negative. Means current sales is less than the last year's sales. Okay, so your total sales difference is there. So there is a daily sale difference, and when you click on this and home, you can use a copy and paste. For this visualization, you are using some of the charts or a line chart. Instead of net sales, last year sales and net sales. See, we have a net sales, and instead of a last year sale, we have both. See, last year sales instead of this chart. Okay, area chart is better than this kind of. Okay, the last year sales and new year sales. You can put down here net sales is above and last year sales is down. And you can use as well as the year, month wise, year, quarter, month, and day wise. All things you can do. So net sales and last year sales is ready. So the next thing we are done with this. Now we are putting some of the card's value into the year sales. Suppose we have a card. Okay. Suppose if we want to calculate a particular year sale into the card value. So how to calculate? You need to just a new measure. And suppose if you want a particular year sales, particular year means suppose I want a 2018 sales only. Okay. So write down here is the net revenue and select the year. Like 2018. Only 18 we have selected the year. So we need to just use a calculate because calculate is a very great function into Power BI. Calculate net sales bracket, and on the basis of net sales we are using the calendar table. Okay, you can use the filter function because we have using a filter under the date table means a fast food restaurant table, comma, and under this table we using a date. Okay, we using a date, and date we need for which year we need, only the year we need for 2017 only. Then you should click the year and enter, choose the 2018 and move the bracket, enter, and see your 2018 sales is ready for this. There is, yeah, when you select the 2018 only, just a minute, net revenue of 2018. Online written correct. I should what is the error? Let me show you. Net revenue, calculate, net sales, filter, everything is correct. What happened with this? Let me go to model, fast food restaurant, total cost, date, date range. Okay. Yeah, the last year sale we will not calculate into this because we don't have any date table. Because for this we have to select the date table only because right now we don't have any date table in different mode. So you can select and you can also create a date table. Like for this you have to go to no, let me tell you in the next project date table, because right now date table is a very different part. If I tell you today, then it will take maybe some half an hour as well as, and also uh, it will a very different part because date table we have a large function for this. So first we need to select some of the basic functions. So this formula you can remove. We don't need a right now net sales by this kind of, because right now we are focused on the basic measure and this is some advanced measure. Okay, so I will select this one into the next project because for this we have to use just a daily sales difference, gross sales, this kind of sale. And let me check, can we do another? Yeah, city wise sales, but city wise sales is there. No, city wise is also not there. Country, latitude, yeah, there is a one more thing. What about latitude and longitude? Okay, so we go to page 7, and instead of this or page 8 we use a map right now. So I am using a map, and see we have under the fast food we have a latitude and longitude. So latitude and longitude is help you to increase to make the graph, to make the sorry map chart. So you can select the latitude, and for this you can select the latitude because it is a country. So you have a country option. See, there's a country option. Longitude is also a country. So you can choose the, instead of latitude you can choose longitude. Okay, and for this you can select the map and transfer your value latitude into the latitude and longitude into the longitude. Okay, and right now suppose there is a value, see written the total North America means we have only just a US data. So the total US is here, and now we using suppose net sales. So into the size value, click on map, go to up, size value, you can use a net sales. So your net sales is there, and now suppose if you want, see your net sales, see higher the net sales, higher the longitude. See latitude 47.161 and longitude 122.48, the net sales is 167, because here we have a country wise latitude and longitude, not by a name wise right now. But yes, if you want as a name wise, then you move this one, go to down border and select, and make add a slicer and slicer by, right now we are using slicer by city. There is a many city, so you can choose one more thing, go to here, jungle, instead of vertical you can use horizontal. See, we have a multiple city, but right now I use the top 25 city only. Basic filter top and top 25 city on the basis of profit or net sales. Yeah, net sales, and apply filter. See, we have a 25 cities right now, and if you use this slicer, you have a 1 year city. See, there is just 25 city sales, and if you use a Chicago, sorry, so there is a sales by Chicago, and if there is a city, see, latitude and net sales is 163. See, higher the bubble, higher the sales. Lower the bubble, lower the sales. Okay, so this kind of sale is ready as per your country wise. See, Columbus, sorry, this kind of city you can select. See, under the Dallas we have this different sale, and in this city we have a 178, and this city we have a multiple sales and multiple divided into different categories. Okay, so you can select the full United States, because we have only the United States value right now. Philippines, San Diego. Okay, see San Diego, this kind of, and you can use a simple Los Angeles, Oklahoma. This is the top 25 city in our data. So you can use top 25 into a chart as well as graph as well as table, pie chart, anything you can do into this is kind of chart. So guys, for this one, like I have completed this chart or this topic like fast food restaurant, we have covered complete all the detail, because some of the advanced functions we cannot do into this, because for this we have to separate tables for date table as well as gym table. Right now this is a very basic our dashboard, so we can create a basic function into this. Okay, as well as basic measures. So all the things are ready. So yes, you want to create a 5 dashboard. Okay, you want to create a 5 dashboard with these things and different types of colors as well as, like this one I select a pink, but right now you using a different types of color in your dashboard, because we have a multiple data color like this. Okay, so everyone using a 5 dashboard, making a 5 dashboard for this. Okay, so when will you submit me the five dashboard? Because guys, it is very helpful to make you practice, because when you don't make practice, you don't learn into the small project as well as higher project. Okay, because there is a many things in the last, because yesterday I created, see I will tell you, yesterday I created some of the advanced project like this power plant, and this is a global power plant. Let me show you. Yeah, and this data is sketched from the web only. Okay, so this data is not into any excel or anything. I have sketched this data from directly web. See, there is a global power plant, means total power plant in our whole world as well as, and I use a top 5 country plant. Total plant we have a, this is one is a this one is what type of plant, like coal, gas, this kind of plant. Okay, in all over country. Okay, so right now this is very advanced level of project, and I have also many things to do into advanced level. Let me show you how much is the advanced level project. Just a minute, show you how much is the advanced level project we have right now. See, this is very different advanced level project. See, when you click on the income statement, your income statement is ready. Okay. See, there's a very different kind of, when you choose the 2016, your 2016 will get 2015, 18, this kind of sales is ready. Okay, so there is a very condition, this area, this is the conditional formatting using into this. Okay, so this is very advanced level project. As well as you use a balance sheet. Here there is a balance sheet of 4 years, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here we use the same thing, the last year sale, last year purchase, or last year expense. Everything has the same formula, same function. Like cash flow statement we have. See, there is a cash flow statement. See, there is different kind of operating activity. We have a different kind of function, because this kind of function we using into the directly into company page trial balance. And see, every time when you use the formatting, see the number formatting as well as heading formatting is the same. So that is the reason that I told you to make the use the same color and same formatting in your report as well as. Okay, so this is just a basic report, and this is, see, the higher advanced level report, age 1 to 30, 31 to 60, how much is the value and how much is the invoice number for each company. See, there is a customer, we have a customer wise detail as well as value, total outstanding invoices. When the any invoice is paid, it is automatically entered. See, data date range between this as well as, every time you select a customer name, if you want a particular customer name, select over. If you want a particular customer name, then you use a particular customer. See, we have a particular customer for 4 bills and the 4 value outstanding. Okay, so why we create a multiple pages? So there is a reason to create a multiple pages, and how to use a button into the Power BI. I will tell you everything. See, there is a forecasting, total sales, previous highest sales, and rolling average sales. Means total sales value is this one, and this one is rolling sale, and this one is previous highest sale. Matlab, previous year sales is what? Okay. So this kind of we have to visualization for this, and this is a very advanced visualization. So you can right now work on this basic, and for next class we have starting some of the new project for this. So tell me how much time you will take for 5 projects, because I need a 5 dashboard from everyone. Minimum 5.
5 dashboards from same CSV?
Yeah. 5 dashboard from same, but yes, you have a multiple things to do. Things like net year sales, net profit by order mode, net sales. Because see, you have using this kind of textbook, yeah, this kind of slicer, net sales, this kind of value, but you have to select the date range in every in your every dashboard. Date range is for 1 year, like 2016 to 17, 17 to 18, 18 to 19, 20 to 20, 19 to 20, and 20 to 21. Okay, that is a 5
Okay.
slicer, and that is a 5 dashboard. I need a different area selection. Okay, net sales
Okay.
by
And what about the design of the dashboard?
design like this one, as well as any, let's see,
Okay.
design is divided, design is depend on you, how you make it. Okay, but see, there
Okay.
is two things you can make. That font is always the same for every visualization. Okay, and color is
Yes.
always the same. That is the main thing to modify, because your first impression is a very good. Otherwise, your last is, your first impression is for color as well as a font. If your font and color is a good, then your presentation will be viewable. And there is a many thing you can do. See, there is an analyzing purpose also. Let me show you. Insert modeling view. See, when you click on the net year sales, or see this kind of sales, and there is an option is here under the view tab, performance analyzer. So when you click on this, your performance is analyzing by this. Let me use start monitoring your report to see if you will click on there, right click, yeah, it's analyze. Okay, go to analyze. Could not find anything. Let me check. I think it is not working yet. But yes, I will tell you how to analyze your data. But yes, you need to create a 5 different kinds of measure, and the design and formatting is depend on you. I want just a data to make as a practice. And right now, see, we are using a net sales by year, profit, net sales, and this kind of visualization also you can enter. Top 5 city, top 5 restaurant. First in first chart, suppose in first visualization you use a top 10, in second visualization you use a top 5, in third you use a top 3 as well as, and top 3 on the basis of what everything. See, we have a city. Okay, so we have a year wise sales as well as, and the top year like payment mode sales. We have profit. If you want a top 5 country profit percentage, top 5 country profit on the basis of top 10 restaurant, and top 10 your restaurant by a gross sales. Okay, and there is a many things you can do, but yes, you need to make a 5 dashboard. So tell me, when you submit the 5 dashboard, today is
Sir,
Monday. Okay,
yes,
so
sir.
you can submit me with Thursday is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Thank
you
you.
can submit all the 5 dashboard with me a Thursday, 9th of September. Then
So,
till 7, 8 night we can cover a new dashboard for 3 days, and then you can submit the next dashboard on next Monday.
okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So guys, tell me any doubt regarding anything. I will share this file to you as well as Excel file to you. And yeah, the recording of the first session down, first part is not recorded. Second part is recorded, so I will share the second part into the application as well as the same area where you found the recording. And this Power BI file and Excel file I will send you into the your WhatsApp directly. You can download from your laptop directly.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we will take the class on tomorrow. Then this
Okay, and sir, I need to know that the dashboard which we have to create 5 dashboards, it's
yeah.
only one page dashboard or like this?
No, only just one page right
Okay,
now.
one page.
And also dashboard includes some of the like page table also as well as, because see this kind of table also. Okay, also you can include the table.
Okay, fine.
Table is also a part of dashboard as well, and I will show you. I show you in the this visualization. Let me show. See, for this one, the table is also a part of dashboard. Okay, so you can
Okay.
use the table as well. Okay, then we will close the session for today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any doubt you can ask me on phone as well as in chat, or
Sure.
maybe in tomorrow class. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.